Oh, super cute. Oh wow, this is gigantic. We don't want that. That's the biggest feather on the planet. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well. Today I'm going to be making, I want to make some clusters to start decorating. Right, one thing I want to show you, this is the line from the cover, from the inside cover, and this is going to drive me absolutely insane. So I don't know, I might have to put like some tape. Oh, that's going to bug me a lot. So I want to do 2 clusters to decorate the 2 pockets here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the clusters with you guys, and then we're probably going to paint those 2 pockets here, and then in another video we're going to decorate the inside. I might do some tags. What we can do within clusters, we can make it we can put some dangling as well, but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have a look. This die, it's my favorite ever die. This is from Stampin' Up. I had them for years. I don't know what it's called, but if there's some of you that are Stampin' Up them or quite familiar with Stampin' Up products, so if you know the name of it, please leave me a comment so everybody can benefit from it, because a lot of products that you buy from Stampin' Up, you find them on eBay, because the demonstrator, once the products retire, they sell everything on eBay, because that's the philosophy of Stampin' Up. You buy something that's very expensive, and then 6 months later it goes to retire. So yeah, anyway, so I'm going to do some classes, and I want to create 2 like embellishment, not too big, and I thought that's the perfect size. And we're going to do one on the top and one on the bottom here. I'm using some craft cardstock. I got a bit of glue on my finger, I got gold on my finger, I got everything on my finger. Where is it? There is one little thing that is bothering me, and it's still there. Bear with. Oh, come on, man. I don't want to post the video. Oh, that's it. I think it's gone. Is it? Yeah. Right. So I've got here. You saw me making a different video with this. There are some chipboard embellishment and puzzle pieces. I've done lots of different projects with this. So if you type puzzle pieces on the channel, you've got all the videos. I always thought we're going to put some numbers. We're going to use this is it's a piece of scrap of napkin, just to decorate the puzzle pieces. I also want to use up these feathers. I'm not sure what animal is this. And also I want to use up some these stamps are made from the by the lovely Woolly Steph. So she gifted me a bag full of stamps, handmade stamps, and then she also used this gorgeous flower. Gonna leave that in there. So yeah, so that's kind of like what I wanted to do. It's the same on the other one, I think. So yeah, that's kind of like what I want to do today. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put my favorite wax in the planet. This is the gilding wax from Pebeo. You saw me use this pretty much in every project, because I am obsessed with gold, as you guys know. So I just want to make them, I don't want them to be covered in gold. I just want a touch of gold, because it needs to look like vintagey, like more like a jewelry, like a brooch, if that's the word, that jewelry that you put on your jacket. I'm sure it's brooch. So that's that. Then we do the same on this side, on this one here. This cardstock is quite thick, so But what you could do, you can do multiple of this and then glue them all together and make it super thick. Or as you can see, you can go on a bit mad and layer them up. But I do like them like that. Just clean my finger. Okay, so that's done. So what I thought we'd do, guys, the two puzzle pieces, I want them to be quite layered, to be quite a lot of things going on, if it makes sense. So I've got this little piece of napkin, which, yeah, that should be enough. So I'm going to put some glue on my puzzle pieces, and then we're just going to put the napkin on top, simply like that. And I'm not too bothered if it doesn't cover them completely, because that's kind of like the look that we want to achieve. So if you can see. Oh, yep. You know how clumsy I am as well, so just bear with me. And then you just tear the excess. And then, yeah, simple, very, very simple. And then what we're going to do once it dries a bit more, we're going to put a layer of mud, a coat of Mod Podge, just to seal it off completely. So that's one, and we do the same in there. It's very, very sunny today. I have the window open, just to get some fresh air. Got my favorite hoodie. My mother-in-law bought me this for Christmas. It's like a leisure wear set. I just wear in the house. I got a grey and black. So comfy. So I got my joggers and this, and I got a t-shirt. But yeah, when it's sunny, this room gets really warm because it's got the sun. I got big windows, and the sun goes directly from it, so it gets quite warm. So yeah, it's quite refreshing to have the windows open in January. Apparently we're expecting some snow. I'm hoping that it's not true, but yeah. Also, guys, forgot to tell you, I'm super excited because I'm gonna be on holiday from week commencing the 10th of January, which is a Sunday, off for a week, which got lots of things planned. I got my exam, as I said to you in the previous video, the 29th of January, the Life UK exam to pass this is the last test that I need for my application for my citizenship, so I need to study for that. And also we are going to go to York, which is my favorite city in the UK. And funny enough, me and Jay's got, of course, we have lots of things in common, and one of that is that we love history and historical towns or cities. So yeah, York is one of our favorite city. Before we move to Italy, I want to go to Edinburgh. I've never been before, so that's kind of like one place that we want to go at some point. What number should we get? I got 12, and I'm gonna get 71. Don't know why, but yeah, get 71. And I think it's rude not to put a butterfly into, I mean, it wouldn't be my project without some butterflies in it. So I've got, oops, they're now on the floor, but I've got some lovely butterflies. Yeah, she's quite cute, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, so that's the plan for our holiday. We've got a week off. It all depends, to be fair, what Boris will announce, because something has got to be done, because the COVID cases in UK are going very high. I mean, it's good that a lot of people get the third doses, so the booster dose is working. So a lot of people that want to be vaccinated, they almost got the third dose, which is really good. I'm not here to discuss any political matters, but I think there is a vaccine, people should be using it, but never mind. I don't want to create unnecessarily conversation. So So yeah, so it all depends, but I'm sure we hopefully will be able to go. We're only going for a day. It's about an hour and 10 minutes on the train from Sheffield. We got early morning. We got there. We have a coffee, Costa coffee, of course. It's our favorite coffee. And then we go around, do some shopping, have some lunch, and then we just a lot to walk all across the wall. So yeah, simple as, guys. So I've got all my elements. They still need to be a bit more dry, but because I'm impatient and I can't wait and I've got glue everywhere, we're going to put a layer of Mod Podge. It's way too much, but never mind. No, you stay there. You stay there. Yep. Put some glue. So, first thing I think I'm going to do, I'm going to put these little stamp first. There. Yeah, then we're going to put, before we do that, in the middle. Just there. And then with the tip of your brush, because it's still a bit wet, I'm just going to press it down there. And then we're just going to put a little number. And then, now because there is a butterfly there, it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to do a little butterfly here. Yeah, just popping out like that. And then do exactly the same on here. So put the stamp first. I love this die, absolutely love it. There are a lot of like, it's kind of, to be fair, it's kind of like a paper doily sort of die, a bit more geometric, I would say, but you can find these sort of dies everywhere. Then put the butterfly going into that direction, and this butterfly, they've got a bit of gold in it, so I think it's all goes really nice together. And then we're going to put that little number in there. So we got a 71 and a 12. I'm thinking it's something else, so we're just gonna get, as it open there. Ah, super cute. Oh wow, this is gigantic. We don't want that. That's the biggest feather on the planet. Now I don't know if it needs two like that, or if it needs, oh no, definitely two. Yeah, so this is going to be interesting because there isn't much glue that the feather can rest on. I'm sure it will. Took too soon. Right, let's put some more glue in there. Yeah, you've got to, we've got to press it down a bit. I do one with you and I'll do the rest off camera because you're the one who's seen me holding this for a couple of minutes. Yeah, I'm just gonna pause it, guys, because I think I need to rest on some paper. And I think before I glue the other one, I think this is got to be completely dry. So yeah, I'll see you in just a sec. Well, they're totally dry. Well, not totally, but they're almost dry. So this is one. And this is two. I love this sort of embellishments. And I think you can, there is so many variation of this that you can make. You can use all different things to make it, you know, like more like 3D, more interactive. So what we're going to do the 2 pockets are dry. In the next week videos, I'm going to decorate this sort of page here and glue down the pockets so they will be proper pocket. But I treat this section here as a page, this as a page, this is a, so on. So this will have a theme, and then the following video we do something with this big page, if it makes sense. So going back to that, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, we're going to position, I think I want it like that. Yeah, so we're going to put a lot of glue everywhere. Just put some more in there. Got to press it down. And then do the same on this one. Yeah, I want the butterfly to go like in opposite direction. So again, loads of glue. Yeah, just like that. Just need a bit of a press. What do you guys think? I absolutely love them, and I can't wait to decorate this inside page. We'll do that in a separate videos. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Really pleased. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like these embellishments. If you did, please give me a little cheeky thumbs up. That will support the channel and the video doing well, guys. Guys, I will see you at some point later on. I'm not sure, we'll probably see this video on a Friday. So don't forget to check out my freebie that will be live on my Facebook group as we speak. And then if I don't see you before, have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and for your continuous love and support. It means a lot to me. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next time, stay safe and well.